Hello and welcome to Turner Time Tutorials. This video is on how to create one or more email signatures on your iPhone or iPad with iOS 10. It's possible to create email signatures on your iPhone for each of the email accounts that you use. These signatures can include images or logos as well. The first thing I recommend is sending yourself an email that contains only your email signature that you use in your email program such as Outlook. So I'm going to open up my email and I have an email containing just my email signature, so I'm going to go ahead and tap to open it. And then I'm going to tap and hold in the body of the email which contains my signature. And if you look closely, you can see that there's a LinkedIn logo that's also a link in the signature. So tap and hold. When you release your finger, you're going to tap Select All. And then you're going to tap Copy. If you don't see it, simply tap the blue highlighted area and tap Copy. Now we're going to press the Home button to go back to the home screen. And we're going to go into Settings. You're going to scroll down, and settings have changed a bit in iOS 10. Now we have a separate setting for Mail, so tap Mail, scroll down, and we're going to tap Signature. If you only have one account or you want to use the same signature for all accounts, you're going to want to tap to place a check mark next to all accounts. I have several personal accounts and accounts for training on here, so I'm going to have a different signature per account because I don't want my business signature to go out on a personal email that I send. So you're going to want to scroll down to your business account, which for most of us is under Exchange. And if you have an existing signature, we're going to tap inside that signature and release. Tap Select All, and then use the backspace key. So now I have nothing in Exchange. I'm going to tap and hold in the blank area. If the Paste button doesn't come up, tap one more time and then tap Paste. And you'll see that the signature that I copied from my email is included along with the logo. And when you're all set, just tap Mail in the top left corner to go back a page and press the Home button again. Now if I go into Mail and I create a new email, you can see that my signature with the LinkedIn logo has been added. So it's quite easy to create an email signature, including a logo, on your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, please contact us via email or telephone. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.